Hello people, how are you guys doing? New video from Passive Passion Online Income. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of the most requested topics for me to speak on, which is called affiliate marketing for beginners. In other ways, or in other words, let me rephrase it and put it uh, top three tips for beginners to get started with affiliate marketing. So, without rambling or without trying to, you know, sway your attention away from the topic, let's get straight into it. Tip number one, sales and marketing skills. In order to be a good affiliate marketer, one must possess excellent sales and marketing skills. If you do not have sales and marketing skills, then try to polish them, try to develop them, try to invest in a good course that would teach you the basics, the proper techniques, and also the advanced strategies when it comes to sales and marketing methods. You may be a good talker, all right? You may be a good talker, you may be a good communicator, you may be someone who could, uh, let's say, make deals, someone who could start conversations. However, if you are not someone in closing the deals, you can't become a good affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is all about how well you can bring in traffic and convert that traffic into a sale. And that is a key. Try to find or try to come up with strategies that can teach you the techniques of becoming a good affiliate marketer. Sales and marketing skills is the most important skill that you need to develop. Because if you can't develop the skill, then there isn't much that you can do. Yeah, you may say that, well, I'll create teams and then I'm gonna, make these teams or virtual assistants in charge of doing affiliate marketing for me. However, let me ask you this question. If you, as an entrepreneur, or if you, as a creator of a program, cannot pitch your own idea, then what the hell do you expect your team to do? Guys, it's all about putting forward your message. It's all about putting a pitch. It's all about convincing the people out there who are looking for a product, who are looking for a solution, who are looking for a certain value. How is a certain product going to make difference into their life? For example, let's say I've got this pen, which I'm holding right now. What is it that makes this pen so special? If I'm going to sell this to you, I've got to learn about the features. I would say, well, this is an excellent pen. It's made of aluminium, silver, and some really good metals that makes this pretty much unbreakable. It also adds a lot of panache to the uh, clothes that you're wearing. It goes well with the nice business suit, if at all you want to walk into town. And most importantly, it also comes with a 2-year warranty. Now, where else can you find pens that comes with a 2-year warranty plan? Yeah, 1-year warranty, yes, of course. 2-year warranty plan, not really. So, would you be interested? It's a great pen with a great price, and it also comes with the right box, beautiful packaging. And if you want to gift it to someone, we've got the we've got some amazing gift wrappers. Why don't you come and check out some? You know. So so what I'm trying to say is this was just a quick sample I was giving you. Important thing is to understand the product that you're selling. It could be a digital course. It could be a physical product that you want to sell. Try to learn the features of the stuff that you're selling in. Now, if I go into a room and if I start talking about Kindle publishing to people who are looking for real estate property deals, don't you think I'm making a bloody fool out of myself? Of course I am. So it's all about developing that right skill in selling stuff to people. Okay? And sales and marketing is a very, very vital skill one must possess. If you do not possess, then try polishing this particular skill. Try to develop this skill and master it. So, sales and marketing, that was skill number one. Or let's say tips that is required to start killing it with affiliate marketing. Now, the other important tip that I want to give you is called timing and placement of products. Timing and placement of products. Now, what do I mean by this? Again, I did speak a little bit about this particular aspect in the first point, which is going and talking or trying to sell my product or service in the wrong place. seminars. Let's say I'm organizing a seminar for people who are seeking good cash flowing properties or good turnkey properties. And if I'm going to pitch the idea of Kindle publishing, nah, very bad. Don't do that. It's like you're talking to the wrong crowd, wrong place, and wrong time. Talking to the wrong crowd at the wrong place and at the wrong time. Not a good idea. So it's all about mastering the skill and ability to sell the right product to to the right people at the right place and at the right time. Don't try to fool yourself or don't try to fool the audience or crowd thinking that just because you're good at something, they're going to buy your stuff. You need to find out what exactly are their problems, what exactly are their concerns, what exactly are the things that they're seeking, and accordingly add value to it. So that was tip number 2. Find the right place, find the right opportunity, find the problem or concern that people are facing with, and try to find an appropriate solution which you can come up with that will help or resolve their problems. Third, and the most important point is, or the tip, let's say the third important tip for a beginner getting started with affiliate marketing. Well, do note that these tips that I'm giving you can be applied for an intermediate or an advanced affiliate marketer too. Because today, if I make significant amount of income from my affiliate marketing business, like 50 to 60 grand, there are some months I make even 70 to 80. How is it that I'm able to do it? Because I sell high ticket products that gives me really big fat commissions. All right. So you're starting, if you're going to start with affiliate marketing, start with low key products, uh, mainly to develop that confidence. Because if you don't have confidence in selling something, no one's going to buy your product. Because they'll be like, come on, what is this dude talking about? He doesn't have any confidence in what he's selling. Now, let's try to do it this way. I go with a pen to you. I'm like, hello, sir. This pen is a good pen. Would you like to buy it? It comes with a good box. It comes with gift wrapper. It's a good pen, sir. You should buy it. Do you see the difference in the way how I presented the idea of a pen a few minutes ago and how I presented it now? You see, there's a drastic difference. It's the energy, it's my confidence, and it's also the product knowledge. All right, which is going to turn you off as a customer or as a buyer. It just shows you that, bloody hell, this guy doesn't know what he's talking or what he's selling about. So try to master what you want to sell. Try to study the product properly. Try to study its salient, unique features, and then boom, go with the sale. And there's no way that your customer or buyer will not be interested to buy the product. Anyways, just got a bit carried away a little bit. Coming to the third important point, building the right ecosystem. What do I mean by this is, now if you're a professional affiliate marketer, you would understand what I'm talking about and where I'm coming from. When I say building the right ecosystem, it refers to a proper framework where you create systems, engines, sites, in other words, sites, lead magnets, click funnels, sales funnels that drives in traffic from the right place at the right time and converts the traffic into sales. In other words, you get the penetration into your ecosystem, and from there it gets converted into a sale. That is the idea of building that ecosystem. Now, for me, I do not promote many of my high ticket affiliate products on YouTube. YouTube is just something that I recently started, you know. However, people have this fallacy that you need to be having a huge following on YouTube, you need to be having huge email list, you need to be having uh, massive networks when it comes to doing affiliate marketing. It's all bullshit. It's all bullshit. I'm telling it to you. If you know how to market things properly, guys, it's all about being creative. It's all about being creative. It's all about coming up with unique methods and ideas to promote your stuff. What I do is I try to find my traffic. I have my teams. I train my virtual assistants. I train and I develop them. And then I deploy them. Take note of this. I deploy them at the right place and at the right time where people are looking for a certain solution to a problem or concern that they're dealing with. And accordingly, that's when my soldiers or army personnel start throwing their ammunition and start giving the interested or prospective clients the ammunition that they're seeking. That is how you make sales, and that is how you become a successful affiliate marketer. So once again, to recap everything, tip number 1, develop, enhance, and possess excellent sales and marketing skills. Tip number 2, try to target and promote your product, no matter what it is, in the right place and at the right time. All right, build up a good strategy in putting out your product to the right place, right time, and right people. That was tip number 2. Tip number 3, build a thorough and a professional ecosystem which will optimize your product. You get that? Build a proper ecosystem which will help you optimize your affiliate product, or in other words, that high ticket selling product, which is just going to automatically convert that traffic into sales. So those were my 3 tips for beginners who wants to get started with affiliate marketing. It's a great business, good stream of earning passive income, great stream of earning passive income indeed. And there's a lot of potential with this business. You want to get mentored by me, you want to get coached by me, you want to learn the tricks, you want to learn my strategies, do let me know. I can discuss the whole program with you in detail. However, it isn't that cheap. It is an expensive program because I have literally taken years to master this. Hence, the mentorship program starts from $20,000. All right, $20,000 of mentorship for 12 months. Do write it down. $20,000 of mentorship for 12 months, where I literally sit down with you and teach you my exact steps. I teach you the exact methods that has helped me to reach to this level. And you just need to apply that and upscale your affiliate marketing business from there on. Alright guys, so hope you got some value from this video. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, put in your comments, and thanks for watching. We'll be coming out with more videos soon. Take care. God bless.